As far back as 2500 BC, rice has been documented in the history books as the most cultivated crop, feeding millions of people all over the world. Approximately 480 million metric tons of mulled rice are produced annually. Before it is being sold in the grocery store in the form of rice bags, we all know and familiar with matured rice paddy went through a series of processes such as harvesting, threshing, drying, parboiling, mulling, and so forth. The mulling process is the most important step in rice production because it determines the nutritional, cooking, and sensory qualities of crude rice. As crude rice goes through the mulling process, byproducts are generated such as rice bran. While the raw rice obtained after mulling goes through the next process, the rice bran is left behind, only to be used as feed for poultry and livestock or gets thrown away. Interestingly, rice bran, the outer layer of the rice grain constituting only 8 to 10% of the total weight of the grain, is where most of the nutrients lies, in particular 11 to 15% protein, 7 to 11% crude fiber, and 15 to 20% lipids. However, its high lipid content is also the main reason why rice farmers still disregard rice bran's potential. Rice bran high lipid content makes it prone to rancidity, requiring additional proper stabilization techniques which put off many farmers from proceeding, thus leaving rice bran in the dust. One day, a food scientist called Miss Rice was documenting the life cycle of rice production. As she was observing the rice paddy fields during harvest season, she saw farmers working hard on harvesting mature rice crops, storing and drying them away in the warehouse, and finally mulling it. She saw how the rice went from brown tan color to white. Confused, she went to the warehouse and saw the byproduct rice bran left in the corner unused. Miss Rice saw its potential and had an idea to transfer the unused rice bran into a product. Then, she brought the rice bran back to her lab and started to brainstorm with her team. After many trials and errors, Miss Rice and her team finally found the perfect product, which is rice bran chips. To make the chips, first, Miss Rice and her team preheated the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Then, they measured the wet and dry ingredients and mixed them in a bowl to form a dough. The dough is then distributed into smaller pieces and pressed flat into a chip shape. These flattened chips were arranged on the baking pan neatly with a parchment paper and sent to the oven to be baked for 35 minutes. When the chips were being baked, they melted the dark chocolate bar. After the chips were finished baking, Miss Rice coated the chips with dark chocolate and sprinkled them with sea salt. And that is how the delicious rice bran chips were made. Not only do these chips taste good, but they also contain around 27% dietary fiber, which shows to have benefits such as laxative and cholesterol-lowering properties. Besides, these chips also contain natural antioxidants such as gamma-aryzanol, tocopherols, and tocotrienols. Proteins, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin B6, and essential polyunsaturated fatty acids were also found in this product. Miss Rice and her team were all happy that they created these chips. They were not only tasty, nutritious, but also helped the world.
Breaking news, we have received exclusive news that the chips were only sold at 4 ringgit 55 cents for 30 grams. We've heard that it is because the main ingredient rice bran is extremely affordable and sustainable since it is an upcycled product. So what are you waiting for? Grab a bag of rice bran chips today before it is sold out.